Are you tired of your WordPress site loading like it's 2010? You built a beautiful site with Elementor or Divi, only to see it get a failing grade on Core Web Vitals. Your dashboard is slow, your code is a bloated mess, and you feel trapped. For years, we've been promised a builder that is both flexible and fast. In 2026, the hype is all around Bricks Builder. But is this just another overhyped tool, or is it genuinely the future of professional WordPress design? We're going to find out if it's time to switch. I've built dozens of client sites over the years. I started with Divi, mastered Elementor, and even wrestled with Oxygen. But the performance headaches and divception have become a major liability for my projects. So I bought the Bricks lifetime deal and have spent the last few weeks migrating a complex client project over to it. I'm not just looking at the sales page, I've been in the trenches, dealing with its query loop, its custom layouts, and its unique all-in-the-front-end approach. I'm here to give you the real-world verdict on whether it's truly ready to replace the old guard. The Bricks sales page makes some huge promises that seem almost too good to be true for anyone who has been fighting with WordPress builders for years. Claim 1. Unmatched performance. Bricks claims to be blazing fast right out of the box, outputting clean, optimized HTML and CSS without the extra bloat that plagues other builders. Claim 2. Total flexibility for professionals. It promises the power of a tool like Oxygen, letting you build custom loops, hook into any part of WordPress, and create dynamic templates, but with a much more modern and intuitive visual interface. Claim 3. A fair, one-time price. In a world of endless subscriptions, Bricks' main offer is a lifetime deal. Pay once, get updates forever. But does fast mean hard to use? And is that lifetime deal sustainable? Or will new users be left behind? First, let's tackle performance. This is the main reason people switch, and it's 100% true. I set up 2 identical WordPress installs, one with Bricks, one with Elementor Pro. On a blank page, the Bricks install was measurably faster, loaded fewer assets, and scored a near-perfect 100 on page speed insights. The code output is genuinely clean. It's beautiful for developers. This claim is absolutely verified. Next, flexibility and ease of use. This is where Bricks shows its true colors. It is not for beginners. If you're used to dragging and dropping pre-made blocks in Wix or Squarespace, you will be lost. Bricks is a pro tool. The query loop builder is incredibly powerful, letting you build custom post listings and complex queries visually, something Elementor requires other plugins to do. The entire builder runs on the front end, so what you see is exactly what you get. However, you need to understand HTML structure, CSS, and basic WordPress concepts like the loop to unlock its true power. Finally, the price and ecosystem. The lifetime deal is frankly the best value in WordPress right now. But there's a catch. The add-on ecosystem is still young. Where Elementor has thousands of third-party plugins, Bricks has a smaller, more focused community. You may need to custom code solutions that Elementor has a widget for, though this is changing fast. The verdict for 2026. Bricks is not an Elementor killer for the mass market. It is an Elementor replacement for professionals. If you are a freelancer, an agency, or a developer tired of fighting bloat, Bricks is a revelation. It brings the joy back to building in WordPress. If you are a beginner or a DIY business owner, you should probably stick to the native Gutenberg block editor or a simpler theme. But if you build sites for a living, Bricks is the clear choice for 2026. And yes, you absolutely need to try it.